Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
The Cybdic Plus channel.
Now, to get started, all you need is just these two program applications installed and running on your PC system. Now, connecting LM Studio to your own app. First, in LM Studio, open up LM Studio and click the Developer tab button. Now, inside the Developer area, click the Toggle Turn Status button on. After that, copy the server address, which you can find in two places, here or here. After LM Studio part is done, open up your own app and click the Connect LM button. Then use Ctrl+V to paste the LM Studio address into the pop-up window input area, and then press Connect. Once connected, the red words not connect will turn into the word connected in green. And also, the app will remember your connection, so when you disconnect and then reconnect, the word connected to LM Studio will appear green.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
What is your name?
My name is Vicuna, and I am here to assist you with any questions or tasks you may have. I'm an AI language model designed to provide information and support on various topics, so feel free to ask me anything and I'll do my best to help.
This is how to change the voices.
This is a quick voice test.
And that's how you test the voices.
This is a quick voice test.
This is a quick voice test.
And that's how you close that area. This is how you remove the text off the screen. This is how to change the themes from light to dark, from dark to light.
I am QN, a pre-trained language model created by Alibaba Cloud. It's a large-scale language model that can generate human-like text and perform various natural language processing tasks.
What is your name?
I am Assistant, created by Alibaba Cloud.
How old are you?
As I am an artificial intelligence, I do not have age or physical form. I exist entirely within computer servers and networks.
And to get more voices, it's a little arrow down here that you can hit to get all the voices.
This is a quick voice test.
This is a quick voice test.
And that's everything.
Here's how to download and install the Your Own app. Open a web browser and go to
Cyberdick.
GitHub releases page. Here's a picture of it, and also the link will be in the description area. You can just copy it and then paste it into your Google search bar. Note, I had to break my GitHub releases page link path into 2 parts so that the whole GitHub link will show in the description area. So since there's 2 parts, there will be a space between the / and the Y. Just close that space and it will work. My channel has to be up for 2 months to be verified by YouTube before they allow channels to have clickable links. Once you get to my GitHub release page, it's going to look like this. You have to hit the arrow to expand the assets drop-down area. Then click the installer.exe file. After the download finishes, click the installer to run it. If Windows shows a security prompt, click More Info to Run Anyway button. Then just follow the installation steps. Then open the app from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. If you have any problems, I have a ReadMe on my GitHub page as well, then you can use. Thanks for watching.